Meaning of diamond in the rough.
Diamond in the rough.
Diamond in the rough.
Diamond in the rough.
Diamond in the rough. Diamond in the rough is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone or something that has great potential but currently lacks refinement or polish. The phrase suggests that there is inherent value within the person or object, despite outward appearances. It can refer to a person with raw talent, a business idea in its early stages, or a rough gemstone that has yet to be cut and polished. Essentially, it conveys the idea that something may appear unimpressive or unremarkable at first glance, but has the potential to become something truly valuable and impressive with time and effort.